This is Elliot from Gigs Online, and today I'm going to show you how to find your sitemap on a Weebly site. So this is a site I've had for years now. It's a game I used to play called Disgaea 5, and here is my homepage. Here is my sitemap, and as you can see, I do not have a lot of things in my sitemap. Fortunately, to find your sitemap is a very simple pattern to follow. So if your home page, like mine is disgaea-5-weebly, all you have to do is add a /sitemap.xml. And that's it. And then you can see your sitemap, and Weebly is great for automatically generating your sitemap for you. So hopefully you found that helpful. If you did, click the like button, subscribe to the channel for more tips. If you have questions about Weebly or anything else, drop it in a comment. I always like to respond and help people out. So thanks for watching. Bye.